Dr. Avakian. We're over at Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland. I hurt my back working out last week, and I did a bunch of things I knew I wasn't supposed to do, but I get done what I tell all my patients to do. So Dr. Avakian's the best here. She's going to adjust my low back using a couple different techniques and to get me to function and feel better.
Any pain with pressure?
A little bit. A little higher. Ouch. Ouch. That's where it hurts.
So that just kind of loosens up the area a little bit, gets the muscles ready. A little jumpy down there.
Yeah, it's hurt.
Tender in there still? Nice breath when you're ready.
Just a whole lot.
Yep.
That's gonna hurt.
Good. Put your right hand on your other back. Switching it. And down. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's good though. It's really good.
Right hand on the back again. Switch them. And both hands. Back down. And so that's just an analysis system that corresponds to the spine. There you go. All right.
All right.
And that's
Good
it.
stuff.
Come on up.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Just a little bit. I'll get adjusted twice a week, probably for the next 2 or 3 weeks until this thing clears up. So if you have any questions, just message me and we'll talk about it. Have a great day.